vegetarian is easy and delicious. Sweet and sour veggie fish fillets, a crowd pleaser for all ages. Try this delicious recipe your whole family will enjoy.
Ingredients: vegan fish, tomato, cucumber. Peel the cucumber in stripes before dicing it gives a crisper bite. Cucumber peel is rich in dietary fiber and antioxidants, which aid digestion and slow aging. Eating it with the skin preserves more vitamins and minerals, though thorough washing is advised to reduce pesticide residue. The sweet tart flavor of tomatoes blends perfectly with the vegetarian fish, brightening the dish and making it extra kid-friendly. When simmered, tomatoes break down into a rich sauce that coats the fish, though avoid overcooking to maintain texture. For depth, add pineapple or hawthorn to create a fruity aroma that cuts through richness while enhancing the tomato base. Thaw the vegetarian fish fillet and slice it into 0.5 centimeters pieces for better flavor absorption. The core ingredients are textured vegetable protein TVP or vital wheat gluten processed through food extruders to recreate fish-like fibrous texture. Air frying creates micropores on the surface, allowing the vegetarian fish to absorb sauces more effectively for full flavor penetration. The rapid high-heat dehydration yields a crispy exterior while maintaining a tender, springy interior for perfect textural contrast. For optimal crispness, air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through, until golden brown. Slow cook tomatoes over medium-low heat until they release red while lycopene-rich, enhancing the dish's vibrant color and depth of flavor. A pinch of salt accelerates tomato breakdown, creating a glossy coating that clings perfectly to the vegetarian fish. When stir-fried until slightly soft, cucumbers release a delicate sweetness that harmonizes with the tomato's tanginess, creating a mellow flavor profile. For crunch, add cucumber during the last 2 minutes. It should turn translucent while retaining a refreshing juiciness when bitten. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Always taste as you cook and adjust the sweet-sour salt balance to your preference. Add 1/2 bowl water and simmer to reduce, creating a glossy sauce for rice while letting the veggie fish soak up flavors. Ideal liquid level: halfway up ingredients. Swirl the pan occasionally to prevent sticking during reduction. Simmer the veggie fish in sauce over medium-low heat for 3 minutes, enough to absorb flavors without losing texture. For frozen varieties, extend by 1 to 2 minutes with gentle flipping to ensure even heat penetration. Layer cucumber and tomato slices as the base. Place the vegetarian fish fillet on top, then garnish with extra tomato wedges for a perfect presentation. Serve this glossy sweet sour fish during holidays. The ruby sauce with emerald cucumbers makes a festive centerpiece. Its realistic appearance, 100% plant-based, impresses meat eaters while keeping vegetarian guests delighted. The veggie fish achieves crispy exterior with tender inside, while tomatoes melt into velvety sauce contrasted by cucumbers' refreshing crunch. Tomatoes' acidity brightens the fish's savoriness, with cucumbers cutting through richness for triple flavor harmony. Soy-based protein offers complete amino acids, while lycopene from tomatoes pairs with cucumber enzymes for antioxidant boost. The red-green palette stimulates appetite, with tomatoes' vitamin C enhancing iron absorption alongside cucumber's potassium. Cholesterol-free with zero trans fat, delivering 3x more fiber than animal-based fish. The ruby red juiciness of tomatoes pairs with emerald green crunch of cucumbers, creating striking visual and textural contrast. Tomatoes' vitamin C enhances bioavailability of cucumbers' antioxidants, making this duo a nutrient synergy powerhouse. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.